Ebushanfo, hi Ghana TV GH, message or like, a comment, subscribe with a notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Because when others were coming, none of us spoke against it. He's paid his dues to this party. He's done everything that he's supposed to do to this party. Nordness have paid their dues. Ain't you no? Nyame anugreni ye wasem ka kire okene dia Japan. You don't exist oh. Hi, you need to thank doctor. Kasema ebe free anumu dia abano. Enye bi niye. Niye eshi ye numu bia ne se omo ama ye ndika ya nka kire o. Ena afi wa beka ena ayese na ona ada neti na ye mmom na epa aka kire wo se ye town. Obiara wo hwe me de bia ni mi se me so life am si NDC beswa kasava yam yi na fa koye ne flag bearer na fa ne mbra no mbe contested doctor in the major election na mon kire ye na yemfa hu se Ghana fo ampa edo Kennedy over what doctor empa ba ya boy no yene mu bedida yene abronya ye bet now also because we will never give doctor will never descend to your level onya ni colleague or your doctor ye fra doctor who ye Kennedy Salome Kenya NDC na ama politics standards fwa kawan ke ye fa ye qualify you ma ko fa form but NDC ena abu amamuo fufofo ena yenum bi yesi se nipa te say John Mahama etimi bedi president de emfa woni say ya bie wubire no ya bie watiko unso betima bubi ena ye kan ye seni say suanyansa se bu pe president dia suanyansa na ma okasa enye kakra sene ebeya. There's no way you can ever come before doctor. Education wise, you are not before him. Knowledge wise, you are not before him. Ebakrasi kasem, you are not before him. Doctor will not come out and talk about it, but you don't fucking have anything. All you know is to make noise. How many times do we see Elon Musk talk about his money? How many times do we see Dangote talk about his money? You don't have shishi. Wa wemba awu kwala ama wabra bonyina. You are always on the run. You are always on the run. Ochena baby mama di wechire na wa lose u brain. Brain na wa koye no artificial. To obuasi na tina u baby. Baby mama is the wechire. And then when the God don't connect, you just come out, you spew total rubbish. Oh yeah, if somebody does not exist in your life, ebehani pano. Who they say that you? You Kennedy Japan. What do you have that you feel like it should be a consent? Say, what sorry, I can say even me I'm meeting away. Kennedy. Who are you that say okra say I don't exist, ebehami? Who are you? A German buffwowe. Huh? A German buffwowe, yeah, nothing respectful about your own life. Now so far on it. A year ago, doctor doesn't exist in your life because abronya cannot cry. Huh? Because abronya are you with what daddy? I'm making sure say MPP for a who for the evil you are. Oh, like so you wanted him to come out and do what? You wanted doctor to come out and say when you went and lie use that fearlessness to back Akan leaders. We don't care to lose anything. And that is why when you read NPP history, Nordness freely donated support, their seat. They don't care to lose. We don't care to go back and start from underground. So please, if you do what drink, say NPP Gua. It is us Nordness that will take the bullets. Forget it. We've always been fighters. Yes. We are the most disadvantaged geographical region in Ghana, but we strive. You see me? Don't you see me? No maintenance. That's how we were groomed. That's how we were groomed. So na ya pa akachire wo Kennedy na ya pa akachire wo that say ye tan wo ankasa. You are a living corpse in all of us, our heads. And we don't fear. We've contributed our quota. Nordness have shown their quota in NPP. Now that you have made us to realize that you going to pick a form has nothing to do with the fact that you want to be president for Ghana. No. Ne eye otai hunu. You just look at doctor. Now we want to say enset na enfatano. And I will call no one say, almost as you can resign. Who do you think you are? You wanted to bring yourself as somebody that you know. People love you more than doctor. So doctor should bribe you so you don't go. If you don't go, that's the only time he has chance. The man refused. And I want ya. And I want ya pese ku. Oda wanda. Oh yeah, you just want to see. Doctor cannot respond to you, Kennedy. Yeah, never respond though. Because when you had the chance to gain knowledge, you disregarded education. And I'm awadani opinion where Jimmy. Yes. But doctor, ewana humbrasia discipline, because it takes discipline to have knowledge. And you think we will allow him to be doing this nonsense you do? Yana one ebedi. Okay? Gunu. Gwen pipi. Ye kind history no. Ye kind papa. Ye kind history no. And we are not built to be fearless. We've always been the last to get anything. But we are that people la. Ye bow bontina. Nipo who no doing sa woti wotum fuasi na odi good. Baby. That's how we are molded. And as far as this party, political party history is concerned, we've given our dues. Doctor is worth it. It is his time. And I'm fahuni o time hunu beye a obia edibeba. Say ya nebe kono.
Now, I want to clear a certain misconception, especially championed by Kennedy Camp and Kennedy. You see, mostly you hear them say, we would not allow anybody to take, charge of this party. We will not allow anybody to, steal our party from us. We will not allow a few people to be in control of the party. That's what they are championing. But let's be objective. Let's look critically into the demeanor and behavior of Dr. Bawumia and Kennedy Japan and see who is trying to hold the party in captivity. Who is trying to hold the party in a ransom. Kennedy is the only person, the only candidate amongst all the 5 candidates who has always been threatening the MPP. That if he doesn't win, the MPP will lose. If he doesn't win, he will campaign against the MPP. If he doesn't win, he will betray his party. Only Kennedy. So who is using intimidation to steal the party? Who is trying to, hold the party at ransom? Who stands to lose if the party doesn't vote him? It is Kennedy, because Kennedy has realized that the MPP and the folks in the MPP now know who he is. They know he's a betrayer. They know he's a snitch. They know he does not stand with the interests of the MPP. And so you see, he's out there for blood. He's doing everything he can to, change the narrative, paint Bawumia bad. Oh, Bawumia is trying to seize the party. No, it is the system of the MPP that fixed Bawumia. It is the system of the MPP that stands with Bawumia, not that Bawumia is trying to seize the party. You are the ones who said that Bawumia is a stranger in the party. How come all of a sudden Bawumia, is taking charge of the party? By what? It only tells you that you guys are bitter, you guys are lost, you guys don't know what you're doing. But I will remind you of something. This time we are not going to let them, go away with it. You know what they did since Bawumia was chosen the first time as flag bearer? You know what they were doing? Oh, Bawumia has been forced on us. Bawumia has been forcefully chosen. He's not the right candidate. You see, Asantes don't like the idea of, cheating and greed and wickedness. No. So Ken's camp knew that if they keep on telling the Asantes that, oh, Bawumia was forced on them, some Asantes will be like, it's not as if they don't like Bawumia, but they'll be like, oh, then justice has not been done. You understand? They like immediately it will ring in their mind as if, oh, somebody is being cheated. Nobody was cheated, okay? But that's what they champion. And what they are championing now is that, oh, one or two people are trying to take the party, so that if Bawumia wins, they'll still come to the Asantes, they'll still come to our people and tell them that Bawumia, the party has been stolen from Bawumia. They have stolen the party and they have handed it over to Bawumia. That's what they are doing. That if they don't win, then the party should collapse. Between you and Bawumia, who is preaching the collapse of the MPP? Between you and Bawumia. So who is trying to seize and take away the MPP? You are the one who is trying to, hold the party at ransom. You are the one who is trying to, do a hostile takeover of the party. And then when they get up, they are championing narrative. Oh, Bawumia, it's not true. Don't believe them. Your party is safe with Dr. Bawumia.
And one and so Otiem Penufonti and Penfua Casam one pupunity. Or yet to send a boss and no barbontin and no bear and an akatum choco no can hiranum tum choco or any hirinam or so baby and sunyamia or pranunti. On said just in Kodia say what time will be crana no craya bacope. Nipana what town no credit a yabacope and penny4 a fair decision and no ya demand is on family bontin. Nakas or Nikukudro any gun and what draw into Cobaba bontia bed or ben and so Ghana who don't see. And no barbontin. Fast forward. Obi beka se bia ya wo Dr Bawumia fa no ya solia ne attack ya papa Canada Japan ne attack ya papa Canada Japan enti sa o na anya sa o na mum records egu wonti ene ye kasa ne ya make reference to ya papa Canada Japan e dia records na make one ya papa Canada Japan say wo you obi odina no aka ne 3 times say wonu the president there o ni bi da no ye businessman or ye ni business or the business never one call for or the business never bo man. It is a video no eda ho. Our opposition betima use against him. Secondly, Papa ya no was one year president no. Only Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia be contest in 2023. Ye nyina ye hunia mesi yet some okika and some okika no enye audio keke videos wo Uncle for then a keep videos no every 2023 no or my boy no mugusu ya then airbo. Many who can say, yeah, papa, ya some more can say, MPP for ya cromfo, no more we sika as if there is no tomorrow, no video need a whole MPP for. Sa video now punishing MPP for 2024. Yeah, papa, ya na can say, party na abraibu no $800 million. Wabra na party ni kwa kope $3 million. Wano di abraibu no $800 million. Wani se sika no. Amene sansem ni shisha Ghana fuo bi trimu ebi mu kura MPP fuo bi a shisha wo mu trimu enti wo man to aba. Ebiam papa yi ka kire se obema MP fuo bebre aye den elusu omu seat MP fuo na elusu omu seat ama videos no eda ho. Papa we call bantima ekoye campaign say who born dog and obet now say kokontewura ba emeye MP na ni oye lawyer o mani ma MP o mani sida obe make sure say Ashanti region yen deliver enti wo calculate compile sa video we nyina gu ho ne ya papa nya opportunity ebetena TV so a wo pa achew epa president John Mahama ne yire Lodin achew eja MPP force ye de sabi yegusu ya nkwasiafo anti ompa ya achew no kwasiam ibusa ne se enti ho amu no obe lead wo de akope power no one legacy no obejina so dia be president no enye me nwanwa se wono asa akogina bontin se on de Akufuado ene Dr Bawumia achievement any legacy de o yusu na emom obe yusu Dr Kwame Nkrumah legacy na me buse o Dr Kwame Nkrumah no enye Akufuado anase enye MPP ya nanamo ene kofa Dr Kwame Nkrumah bai yana nama omuwo UP ni Northern People Party omukabom UGCC fo no ene hu se yankofa papa no me secretary omu ene ma Kwame Nkrumah ba Ghana sa America bia Kwame Nkrumah oye adwuma otogo anase Burkina Faso anase baabi nanso ye de ne ba Ghana enti sienkia ka Kwame Nkrumah kura no ne Gloria enka se ye trace ba UGCC anso ya papa isi debi na se wo pe Kwame Nkrumah ideology a CPP na dawa omuni leader yi adenti na won kofa CPP na nka won fa me pre to me na waba na wama nkofo e distract MPP saa ena me ne wo kase wo videos no egusu hye nkofo abufuo e wo ye party nim na dia ba ko ne se nkofo nim se party no candidate nkoa ena ma party no ewi ni power dabi candidate ekutamu 40% and 40% ye 100% a Dr Bawumia no 40% no nyan nanso ensema ya keka kire MPP ma anu omu wo fie anu omu nya hwe na komodi wo no ensema ya keka kire omu ntina amoma ankoto aba enti MPP fo na ankoto aba ni nyina no sabi enye candidate na amoma anto aba because ye wo MPP fo bi wo ha te semi say MPP di odwan kora ba meto ama no sabi mpreduasa what the tefra crab ejina meto ama no enti mimi say no enye candidate ena nka influence me na mmom nipa wo nimdia a wo ye unifier de obetena wa minsa no enkonkoto ma obi a wo de chaos eni gidigidi baba wa efri wanum to say ya wa enka wo nyintum obi a nipa ewu ye kum nipa ye tututuo wo se wo de enka wo nyintum enti nka Ghana nse na baba bedi ho amoso eti media meka ne maka ni biem Dr Bawumia de se die nyankopon asiesie mai no se die nyankopon di peace kuruwa ne kohye ne nsem o de ma Ghana no ye nyina ye nka mom ne afia support ma no omo ne contest nyina no ampa obi a wonimde nanso nimde ne ebi di dabi achi anu nti ne yeko school a obi nya distinction obi anya first class obi anya second class ye nya upper ye nya lower etu omo ne ba nyina no omo nim se ye pa obi a wako apprenticeship ehu amamuomu agi amamuomu kenkon a Dr Bawumia for the past 8 years ono pa na international platform so atima answer questions and discover problems and provide the solution enti wu san no no wakofa hwan Dr Bawumia pe na campaign ya ye delegate for what my specific aka di obeya amomo what my specific aka ba bi odi obi abesi what my specific aka kwan ya problems anu omo previously nyina obe solve na nkiyempe we ye pedien papa sebi owo nimdia wode build the platform ema platform no a creative jobs ema majority of Ghanaians na sa papa we nka wu san ho akofa hwan ena me no ka se eniema bebre ekoso wo Ghana enya papa adwene ne nya papa amamuo ne nya papa na nka wo beti se yesi me papa pa agosi ndiom se yetime astrade abutrika to America dia yemfa kenofori atamra enti sebi mprebiasa woni evidence ayede ti obi a wo ye dan ekofa nipa why investigation why Attorney General say woni evidence a wode kwachi kenoforiata still mugu so si yankofa kenoforiata mra enti munchire evidence ni nyina ya moamo ni yamfa kwachi kenoforiata mra ana omunim se sebi yati Ghana ni yeso akromfo so me se MPP ni kura na abokro no a yamfa ni nkotum na emom se MPP ni no wabo mu na mo siase wabokro no na munya evidence mfa mai na mudi social media court na beje nipa no so de ya nti ase enemi ne wo ka say yesi yankoya election e wo pandai ye busa simple question say edie na asi pandai a enti ye twa election ni nyinam akwakoya no foforo yeti kromu na Supreme Court justice atuguba say elections are won at the polling station enti polling station no asemu ma ho a wo ye de kotwam and let my vote count eba ya no na se yamfa common sense any nyansa wisdom and to pandan wa me say mahama ayaliga epese pandai eye te se ne constituency na wontimi nko ho no mahama ayaliga epese pandai eye te se ne constituency na wontimi nko ho no wonu wonya ya enam so wontimi nko ne constituency nti enka Ghana constituency nyina enye te se mahama ayaliga constituency na we dia emaso we will resist it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So wamusha na court ni ya paki no NDC judges na so wamushe ombeya no unanimous FCA obi ankasa o yanso synapse ani nkosua ebeye ye judge ebeye ye court because this time no yanso so sa na ma we so omuye me say NDC ni judges ni ye say institution no omu influence institution say panda omu nkoto aba ye de yan kase o panda fo nyina e wa MPP ni ye de kosua ni sina be so obi ansem ubabo yi sidua ubabo omu ta kire dua judge no kro di asem ye bobo ndua se na adwene mu ya fan a nyame nhira no na se na adwene mu nya fan a na nanom ni nyonyono na sabi ububugu ha na sa unya
bibi tutu se tia tie Mustafa Gbande say so omoje pandai seat ni wia omoko awam adrojiri
meti sasem no
jasamba na okafa e hor so
sasem no kra na charge man